want to thank my viewers and welcome them to my channel. Today I bring a few crochet bags, which will blow your mind. I first chose a Caro handwoven cotton straw shoulder crochet purse bag. This bag has two variants. One is with thread lace in the bottom, and another without any laces. I will show this thread lace one first, then we'll jump onto the other. You can see that this purse crochet pattern is perfect and looks busy. Muddy colors also look the same way the white color looks. By the way, this bag comes in two different colors. One is white and the other with muddy color. If I show you the inside of this bag, you can see how much space it holds. It is already bigger than my pump. It actually holds 3 of my pumps if I measure it. I think you can keep many of your daily used things easily. If I show you the front and back, it looks nice on both sides. Look at the back, it also looks nice. At least these 4 important items easily fit in this bag. So friends, let's put it and see how it looks on my shoulders. See how gorgeous this crochet purse looks. I hope you all will like this bag. Okay, now let's jump on the next one. This is a crochet mini crossbody bag. It comes with a metal hook and lock system. This is a purse. Actually, if I unlock it and show you the inside, it has little space. But you can put your essential stuff easily. This bag will take a little space in your body so you can easily move around. It will give you comfort on your journey. I also bring this MINIMEALBA Crochet Handbag. This is a handheld bag. It has no strips. You must hold it or put your hand on the bag like a bangle. You can keep your essential stuff smoothly. You can see how tiny this bag is, but looks so gorgeous that I can't overlook it. So, jump into the next one. This is a Milano bag. It actually is shoulder big, like the previous one, but it is a bit large. You can keep this bag on the hand too. Don't worry, I will give the purchase link in the description. This Meyaus crossbody crochet bag is just like the Caro, but it comes without laces. It also looks very attractive and gives a bohemian feel. So classic. If you're a college student, it will suit you very much. It has plenty of space inside. With your essential items, you can keep your notes too. This bag is a shoulder bag and has no handle in it, so you can't hold it. If I put it in my should, it fits perfectly with my body. I think every average woman can wear it. This AMALFI Crochet Backpack Bag is my favorite. It gives an old day vibe. It brings back my school life memories. It's so pretty, I love it. But it is a bit small for a backpack bag. You can use it for handbag purposes only. You can't put books here. So ladies, jump into the next one. It is a FENBEN bamboo handbag. This Simcat straw beach bag is made of 100% natural hand-woven seagrass with hand-woven knit elements and craftsmanship. Simcat Fashion's round/half-round design makes you look unique and fashionable. Its dainty and unique design is sure to bring lots of attention. Perfect for any occasion such as beach, party, shopping, hiking, camping, dating, or just as an everyday bag. This is a unique gift handcrafted by artisans. Whether you keep it to yourself or gifting someone you care, it will be memorable. Herald's small handmade straw pocketbook crossbody bag for women. The design with replacement colorful shoulder web wide strap and chain strap makes the retro pocketbooks distinctive. It can be used as a handbag, clutch, underarm bag, shoulder bag, or crossbody bag according to the actual need. The fashion straw bag is made of natural straw weaving materials, which are not only environmentally friendly, but also trendy and casual. Classic pattern and top zip closure that helps keep your items contained. Personalize your summer charming style. The straw bucket side bag is the perfect gift for a girlfriend, wife, and mother on any occasion like Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, birthday, and anniversaries. Okay friends, this is for today. We will bring another item in the upcoming day. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.